Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be opening about my mental health and about how you guys should not bully, even if you don't. If you don't, and you get bullied, then please go see someone for help. They can stop it. Just keep going for help. That's what I did. Finally got better. For those people who don't get bullied and don't bully people, stand up for people who get bullied. And for people who bully and people who don't, and if you start to bully, don't. Because if you start to bully, you don't understand how that person feels. If you call them weird or ugly, I decided to change myself. I started wearing makeup and I started wearing tank tops, not hoodies, because I was insecure because of people. And people don't understand how much that hurts to bully someone. I'm doing this. And they just don't get how much you could hurt them, and if you could kill them, they could go suicide. For me, we always just walk through my mental health for a little bit. My family, we got my mom and my dad, and then my oldest sister she has anger issues, same as my little brother. My baby brother, well, he's the baby of the family, so my parents have to focus on him. My parents focus on my older brother, my older sister, and my younger brother, because they have anger issues. And then my oldest sibling, my oldest brother, he moved out, so they're kind of focusing on him. And I'm trying my hardest to be there for my family and there for their rough times and help them clean up the house when they place away dinner when they don't. And that's all I can do for now. And no one's there for me. And so that's pretty much and also I get bullied a lot. That's why I moved to online school, but that didn't work out. So I moved to a different school. I'm going there this year, so I'm going to see if I can do better than that. And if not, I don't know where I'm going to be. And back to the bullying. People actually commit suicide because of that stuff. I actually thought about committing suicide because people bullied me. Even if you're talking behind their back and not face to face, that could actually really hurt them if they find out. Don't do that stuff. Because some kids don't even make it past 16 or 15, 14 or 13. All throughout age, people don't make it because of bullying. And people don't get how hard their life is. Sometimes bullies bully kids because their life sucks. And just because your life sucks does not mean you get to take it out on somebody else. If you start bullying someone because your life sucks, don't do that. Just go seek help from a counselor or somebody you trust. But don't place it, like, don't take out anger on other people. Please don't bully people. Understand that they're also going through some hard times and ask them if they need somebody to talk to. Because for me, I'm always happy. I'm always there for my friends, but I don't have anybody there for me. So if you're the happy friend who's always there for everybody, go get some help from a counselor or a parent you trust. Don't keep all of that like emotion inside because it's not good for your health. And I'm starting actually to do that. I'll see you guys later.